Okay, so for exercise number 6, we are going to talk about um, while loops. We are still on the topic of loops. Okay, so loops is while loop is very much the same as your do while, wherein as long as it's true or the condition is actually met, it will execute the same code over and over again. So, but how do we write our do while or our while? So we just have to first initialize our code. Again, let's try to put our code, or let's try to use x equals to 0, while x is less than or equals to 10. Okay, try to do increment, then echo x. Okay, try to put also our line break. Okay, so this is how you would write your while. Okay, notice the difference between do while. Okay, let's show you do. So this is do. We just added the word do while. Okay, whereas on our while, let's put 1, we just use the word, we didn't add the word do anymore. So it will just actually execute the code as long as this particular condition is met, which is x is equals to 10. Okay, so let's try to run the code. There. So 1, 2, 3 up until 10. That's your while loop.